void of all doubt, just a question of how to climb up to the heavens and fly. But time is advancing, a drip then a flood. He's adrift while you're stuck on the shore. And he says away with the tips of our brain, and we can't seem to dream anymore. With the passing of days, we get lost in the maze.
Kak, kursinya buat yang satu. Emang tadi apa tadi?
Vegan zombies like cauliflower because it looks like brains. They can munch on it for hours. It never feels no pain. And though they never would complain, they know it doesn't taste the same as a lightly salted, juicy human brain. Temptation leads us all astray. The best can fall and lose their way. Even vegan zombies make mistakes. Vegan zombies like cauliflower, morning, noon, and night. Always sweet and never sour. It won't put up a fight. But sometimes in the summer heat, they crave the taste of human meat. And heaven knows we all deserve a treat. They head on down to Carytown, where the farmer's market can be found, and organic free-range humans do abound. to say I love you. Never meant to lead you on. But sometimes pride can get the best of me, drag the rest of me along. Leave behind the stains of battle. Count the dead and grieve the loss. Civil war without word. Never really cared about the wrongs. If there's a town beyond the sky where they greet you by and by, I will stay down here and hide. No, I will never meet you in the light. I found the door that leads to nothing. I crossed the threshold once or twice, but there was nothing in the nothingness, not just the absence of light. There was a whisper in the shadows. There was writing on the wall, and soon the curtains had been drawn apart. I braced my body for the fall. If there's a town beyond the sky where they greet you by and by, I will stay down here and hide. No, I will never meet you in the light. Please forgive me if I'm broken. It wasn't you who lit the spark.